Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an internship on LinkedIn. This is a great way to showcase your professional experience and make your profile more attractive to recruiters and potential employers. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password to access your profile. After you've successfully logged in, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and name displayed there. Click on your profile to navigate to your full LinkedIn profile page. This is where all your professional information, experience, and skills are displayed. Now that you're on your profile, scroll down slightly and look for the button that says Add Section. This button allows you to add various types of information to your profile, including work experience, education, certifications, and more. Click on Add Section to see all the available options. From the menu that appears, click on Add Position. This option is specifically designed for adding work experience, whether it's a full-time job, part-time role, or in this case, an internship. Clicking this will open a form where you can input all the relevant details about your internship. In the title field, type in the position you held during your internship. For example, you might enter software engineer intern or marketing intern depending on what role you had. This title should accurately reflect the work you did during your time there. Next, locate the employment type field and click the drop-down menu. From the options presented, select Internship. This is important because it clearly indicates to anyone viewing your profile that this was an internship position rather than a permanent role. Now it's time to fill in the company name where you completed your internship. Type in the name of the organization, and LinkedIn will often suggest the official company page if it exists. After that, add your start date by selecting the month and year you began the internship. If the internship has ended, you can also add an end date. If you're currently still in the internship, you can check a box that indicates you're still in this role. You'll also need to specify the location where the internship took place. Type in the city and country and then select the location type. This could be on-site, remote, or hybrid depending on how you completed the internship. This information helps give a complete picture of your experience. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click the Save button. LinkedIn will process the information and add the internship to your profile. You should see it appear in your experience section right away. And that's it. You've successfully added your internship to your LinkedIn profile. This makes your profile more complete and helps you stand out to potential employers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.